Hi guys, my name is Beth Boswell.
And I'm Sarah Rodriguez, and we run Young Adult Lab here at the Contemporary Arts Center.
For today's project, we are going to be creating stickers based off the work of Kahlil Robert Irving. So Kahlil pulls from different contexts within his life. He pulls from social media, news outlets, and a lot of everyday objects in order to create the work around him, in which he created a wallpaper. You can create your own wallpaper, you can create your own water bottle covering, laptop covering with the sticker method that we're going to do today.
Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need some spoons, you're gonna need a water cup, you're gonna need some printed images, and you're gonna need some packing tape.
It's important that when you print your images, you use a laser printer in order for the ink to transfer to the tape in the next step. Kahlil's mural, Groundwater from Screen Falls, reflects upon his own experiences as a Black man growing up in the Midwest. The title references TLC's Waterfalls, which reflects upon the experiences of inner city Black students.
So when you're making your own work, think about words or symbols or images that represent your own life and your own experience.